Watch the basket. Oops. We missed. Should we pick it up? Should we do it again? Alright, get in position. Alright, watch the basket. What happened? Can we lift it back up? Should we do it again? Alright, get in position. Watch the basket. Get your hands ready. Can you help me stand it back up? Bring the ball. Want me to stand it up?
Yeah.
You're ready? You're in position? Okay, put your hands out. Get ready for the rebound.